Hi guys, greetings of the day. Myself Vijay Tavardhan, and in this video lecture session I am going to show you a solution on projection of plane surfaces. And an example problem is like this. A pentagonal lamina of edges 25 mm is resting on HP with one of its corners such that the edge opposite to this corner is 20 mm above HP and makes an angle 45 degree with VP. Draw the top and front views of the plane lamina in this position. Determine the inclination of the lamina with HP. Now, according to the given question, the lamina is corner resting on HP and the inclination with respect to HP is not given. Instead of that, the opposite edges at a height of 20 mm is given and that edge is inclined at VP at 45 degree. Now let us solve this problem. Now one can start this problem with drawing an XY line with a thickness of 0.13 millimeter. So let us draw an XY line, and after drawing an XY line, make use of a text command and mark the respective corners as X and Y at the end, and then mark it as VP as well as HP to represent the first quadrant. And after which, to construct a pentagon, no options are available here. So for which one has to go to applications, macros, and a run macro. And where this n side polygon is available, let us show you. Go to Windows, and in the Windows, go to C drive, program files, solid edge v19, custom n-side polygon, and then bin, where the n-side polygon is available. Click on the n-side polygon, just open it, then it will show the dialog box of this one. Select the flat length, and the flat length of this pentagon is 25 millimeter, and the number of sides of a pentagon is 5 millimeter. Just click on the apply relationship and click anywhere on your screen so that the pentagon is going to be appeared. The thickness of this pentagon is supposed to be 0.5 millimeter, and we wanted a corner resting pentagon, but it is a side resting pentagon by default. It is going to come, for which go to a rotate command and rotate one of the edge and make this edge a vertical line. Now you can see this is going to be the corner resting pentagon. Once this corner resting pentagon is finished, make use of a line command with a thickness of 0.13. Project all the necessary corners to the XY line to draw the front view. Then after which change the thickness of a line to 0.5 millimeter. When we are going to draw the front view, a front view is going to be obtained from this line to this line and this line to this line separately, to make sure that this point is going to be projected properly in the next stages. Then go to the smart dimension and show that the size of the pentagon is 25 millimeter, and complete the namings with the help of text command, and name this corner as A, this corner as B, and this corner as C, and this corner as D, and accordingly this corner is going to be E. Then in the front view it will be named as A dash, then B dash inside the brackets E dash, and then D dash C dash is going to be marked, D dash C dash. Now we have completed the first stage completely, and then the side opposite to the resting corner, that is DC, is at a height of 20 millimeter above HP, for which one has to go for a line command with a thickness of 0.13 millimeter and draw a line whose height is 20 millimeter from the XY line, and this is supposed to be measured as 20 millimeter. And after which select the front view completely, and then make use of a command called as move with respect to A dash, and reposition that A dash anywhere on the XY line with the help of point on element command, and then go for a command called as arc by center point command. Then select A dash as fixed and D dash as the radius, and then draw an arc till it touches the 20 mm height line. Now wherever it is going to touch the point, that is going to be the exact position of D dash and C dash. Now one has to select the front view, which is copied now, and go to the rotate command. Then select A dash as fixed point and D dash C dash as rotating point. It has to be shifted to the new position like this. Now after getting this, one has to complete the projections in the top and top views. Now with the help of a line command, with right extreme corner D dash C dash, connect C to C, and along with C we have D. So let us complete DC projectors. Now don't get for this command. Now go for angle and lock the angle as 0 degree because it was 0.48 degree if I am going to complete. Then the final solution will be ended up with a error. Then B and E should be projected with respect to the B. So let me connect B to B and then E to E. And after connecting BE, the remaining point is A dash. Now A dash has to be projected properly. Now A dash will be projected to A dash. And then go to the text command and name this corner as A, and this corner is going to be B, and this corner is going to be C, and this corner is going to be D, and finally this is going to be E. Then make use of a line command with a thickness of 0.5 millimeter. Join A to B, that is with the help of endpoint join endpoints all the times, that is A, B, C, D, and this is going to be the endpoint E and back to A. Now one can say that we have completed up to this condition, that is 20 mm above HP. Then and makes an angle with 45 degree with VP, which is makes an angle, the edge which is at a height of 20 millimeter makes an angle 45 degree with VP. Now for which the DC length has to be measured in both the stages. Hence in both the stages the the length remains 25 mm. Henceforth it is to be drawn on the true angle directly. So make use of a line command with 0.13 mm as a thick. Now one can draw an inclined line whose inclination has to be set for 45 degree. Now make use of a line command and set this angle as 45 degree. After which the DC is supposed to be on the 45 degree line. So for which one has to select the top view completely. Then go for a move command. Move either with C or D. So now we are moving with C. C is positioned on the point on element symbol on the 45 degree line, and after positioning it on the 45 degree line, one has to go for a rotate command. We know that C is already on a 45 degree line. Then D has to be shifted, and now you can see point on element and parallel. Now this completes the line DC is on 45 degree line. Then make use of a line command with a thickness of 0.13. Then join the right extreme corner, that is D has to be connected to D over here. So let us draw the projector of D to D, and along with D we have C. So let me draw the projector of C, and then the remaining points are BE. So let us get for E to E connection and then connect B to B, and after B to B the remaining point will become A. So A has to be projected till the XY line, and after which go to a line text command and name the respective corners. This corner will be A dash, and this corner will be B dash, and this corner will be C dash, and this corner will be D dash, and finally this is going to be A dash. And after which make use of a line command with a thickness of 0.5 millimeter. Join A dash to B dash and B dash to C dash, and then C dash to D dash and D dash to E dash, E dash to A dash as a front view. Now this completes the problem in all aspects. If you have any doubts to solve this problem, you can contact me. But we have forgotten to measure an inclination, so let us do it. Go to angle between command. Angle between this line and this line is supposed to be the inclination, which is measuring as 31 degree, that is angle theta is equal to 31 degree. Now please kindly share this video to all first year engineering students. Also do subscribe to my YouTube channel. As the number of subscriber increases, as the number of comments increases, definitely it will give me an encouragement to solve more and more problems. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video.